Armor Locksmith Queens provides emergency locksmith service and advanced security solutions in New York for many years. We service Manhattan, Brooklyn, Queens, the Bronx, Long Island, and New Jersey. We offer ironwork, intercom, alarm, closed-circuit television, access control, as well as a wide selection of high-security locks, safes, panic hardware, intercom systems, and much more. Armor Locksmith Queens, available 24 hours a day, are licensed, bonded, and insured Queens locksmiths. Use the latest cutting-edge technology and the most up-to-date tools in the industry. In Queens, New York, help really is just around the corner with Armor Locksmith Queens. We believe our success in Queens is the result of dedication to our customers, our participation in the New York community, and our commitment to providing the best high-quality service possible. Call and get a free estimate now.